Good morning, retail traders. I want to bring up four stocks that I'm looking at the bottoms of, and I'm in one of them, LVS, for a long swing. And I just got to look at them, got to looking at them all, and they all seem kind of interesting. As some of them are touching the 200, some of them are touching like a very important pivot point on the yearly chart. So I'm talking about MGM, CZR LVS, and WYNN. We'll go straight into it. I'll type in the ticker here. We'll type in the first one, MGM. So this is just about the charts, more or less, and what I'm seeing in the bottom. We're going to pull this up to the year. I gave a lesson last Sunday, on how to determine where a good entry is on just one line. And so I'm looking here at MGM at 36. We've touched down here a few times. We had some resistance here, and also she's running into this 100 right down here. So we've pulled back to a support. We bounced up off of it. I'd like to see this pull back again, not break out, but maybe pull back again for a good entry. Pivot point inside this channel right here is right around 37.95, with a real strong buy at $36, and that's MGM. The next one I'm looking at is CZR. We're also at a critical support level. We hit that 200 here this week, Friday, and bounced up. And it looks to me like we're getting a little sneaky snake trade maybe in this trade, but I want to see if it pulls back to a support level. I think it's right around this area right in here, maybe right around 88.23. But if it bounces off this 200, it's going to be a strong buy on the yearly daily. The next one is LVS. So here we are at the bottom, step 1, step 2, and 3. This is my long swing into next year, into January, and I'm at the bottom of it. We had some pretty interesting looks on this thing. Got in here, and I got in here on the pocket pivot. We broke past that 200, so we're getting into a golden cross. I want to get this up to resistance level, break 41.55. And the last but not least is WYNN. I'm going to look at the yearly on this one here. As you see, we pulled back to a very critical pivot point area on this chart where we had this high right here, and then we touched back down here. So if we can double test this bottom, we do have a hammer. It could break past the 21. That's going to be my my breakout line. If we get past that 21 again, I might take the trade and run it up to the 200. But these are the four that I'm talking about, and they are MGM, CZR, LVS, and WYNN. And I read an article here from a trader on StockTwits was talking about the addiction of the economy. You know, what things that you are addicted to, which, you know, I'm addicted to gambling. I sit here and day trade stocks. I've been a gambling horse racer and dog track racer for over probably 35 years. So I go back and forth there. You know, since COVID, I haven't been able to take my Memphis trips or go down to Oakland. But here I am, you know. Life is a gamble to me. It's a big act. It depends on how you play it, how you perform in it. So life is a gamble, and I like taking risk, and that's part of gambling. And day trading stocks is gambling, but it's also has the right tools to make a lot of money, and you can lose a lot of money. So we'll see you. Everybody have a great day. Keep an eye on the bottoms of these stocks. I think they're scalpable right now until we start hearing a little bit of relief and the COVID thing kind of gets out of the news, and we're going to get a nice bounce on these trades. Have a great day.